If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Restart Minecraft. Close the game completely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause the loading screen to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can lead to loading issues, especially in multiplayer mode. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. Step 4. Allocate more RAM. If your computer has enough memory, you can allocate more RAM to Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installation, select your profile, and adjust the JVM arguments to increase the memory allocation. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing the loading issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in Minecraft. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the official support page for further assistance.